Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad Flex. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Ideapad Flex is experiencing issues with the screen not staying on, it can be quite frustrating. This problem often arises due to a faulty LCD cover or loose connections within the device. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage, potentially affecting other components and leaving your laptop unusable. To tackle this issue, you'll need a few basic tools: a screwdriver set, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement LCD cover. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Start by removing any screws from the back panel of the laptop. Be gentle as you pry the panel off using the plastic spudger, taking care not to damage the clips holding it in place. Once opened, locate the LCD connector that's usually found near the hinge area. This is the component we suspect is causing the issue. Carefully disconnect the cable by gently lifting the connector from its socket. If you notice any damage to the cable or connector, it's essential to replace it. Next, remove the screws securing the LCD cover. Remember to keep track of the screws as they can vary in size. Use the spudger again to pry off the old LCD cover, making sure to work slowly to avoid damaging any surrounding parts. Now, take your new LCD cover and align it properly with the hinges. Press it gently into place until it snaps securely. Reconnect the LCD cable, ensuring it is firmly seated in its socket. Before closing up the laptop, it's a good idea to reconnect the battery and power on your device to verify that the screen functions correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've confirmed everything is working, reassemble the back panel by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you previously removed. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure you handle your laptop carefully, avoid placing heavy objects on it, and keep it in a safe environment. Regular maintenance checks can also help catch potential problems early. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.